Connecticut CDL Practice Test Hazmat 2.
Question 1. The two other places where the hazardous identification number must appear are:
on the gas tank and a sticker in the glove compartment. Any bulk packaging in the cargo tanks. On a temporary license plate holder and the steering wheel. On the back of the truck and inside the glove compartment.
Answer.
Any bulk packaging in the cargo tanks.
Question 2. If you are already carrying 100 pounds of silver cyanide, what precautions must you take if you are given papers at dock to carry 100 cartons of battery acid?
Inform someone and not load the battery acid. Make sure there is plenty of space between the two. Make sure the silver cyanide is loaded on top of the battery acid. Make sure the battery acid is loaded on top of the silver cyanide.
Answer.
Inform someone and not load the battery acid.
Question 3. What are shippers trying to accomplish when they package the material?
Make it easy to open and close. Make it easy to identify. Make it as light as possible. All of the above.
Answer.
Make it easy to identify.
Question 4. The Emergency Response Guidebook, ERG,
is studied by emergency personnel to help keep the public safe. Was created by the National Department of Transportation, so it is used nationwide. Contains an index of hazardous material ID numbers, which is why you must label things correctly. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 5. What is the purpose of a driver placarding his or her vehicle?
Communicating risk. Giving people something interesting to look at while driving. Warning those with children to drive in another lane. Forcing other drivers to stay 20 feet away in every direction.
Answer.
Communicating risk.
Question 6. Cargo tanks are:
bulk packaging temporarily attached to your vehicle. Bulk packaging permanently attached to your vehicle. Filled while they are off your vehicle, then attached for transportation. Only made in one size.
Answer.
Bulk packaging permanently attached to your vehicle.
Question 7. In what location must you keep your shipping papers which describe any hazardous materials?
In a fire-safe pouch under the passenger seat while you are driving. On the driver's seat anytime you are outside of the vehicle. In a fireproof pouch under the driver's seat that you can reach while you are driving. In a locked glove compartment anytime you are outside of the vehicle.
Answer.
On the driver's seat anytime you are outside of the vehicle.
Question 8. Which of the following is not something you need to know in order to determine if you need to use placards?
The amount of all hazardous materials of all classes you are carrying in your vehicle. The substance or materials hazard class. The amount of a substance or material being shipped. The manufacturing date for the materials.
Answer.
The manufacturing date for the materials.
Question 9. Your engine runs a pump when you are delivering compressed gas. Should you turn off your engine before or after you unhook the hoses after finishing that delivery?
Leave it on the entire time. Turn it off on arrival. Use other power to run the pump. Turn it off after unhooking. Turn it off before unhooking.
Answer.
Turn it off before unhooking.
Question 10. What is a technical name?
The name for a hazardous material most commonly used on the street. The medical terms for hazardous materials used by medical personnel. The name for a hazardous material used in scientific journals and texts, recognized as its chemical and microbiological name. The name for a hazardous material most commonly used in the trucking community, accepted as standard.
Answer.
The name for a hazardous material used in scientific journals and texts, recognized as its chemical and microbiological name.
Question 11. Which of the following is a necessary qualification for non-bulk packaging?
Max. Water capacity less than 454 kilograms or less if used as a receptacle for gases. Max. Net mass less than 400 kilograms or less if used as a receptacle for a solid. A max. Capacity of 450 liters or less, if it is used as a receptacle for liquids. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 12. If you are carrying Division 1.2 or 1.3 materials, how far away must you park from the traveled portion of the roadway?
At least half a mile. At least 5 feet. At least 20 feet. At least 10 feet.
Answer.
At least 5 feet.
Question 13. Which of the following 3 hazard classes should not be placed into a temperature control trailer, one with a heater, air conditioner unit?
Classes 1, 4, and 5.1. Classes 1, 2.1 and 3. Classes 1, 3, and 4. Classes 1, 3 and 6.
Answer.
Classes 1, 2.1 and 3.
Question 14. How often should you check the tires on a placarded trailer that has dual tires?
Once every 100 miles. Start of each day and every time you stop. Each time you stop. Once every 3 hours.
Answer.
Start of each day and every time you stop.
Question 15. Where are the 2 main places where the hazardous identification number appear?
On the package and on paperwork at the shipping point of origin. On the shipping paper and on the package. On the package and on paperwork at the shipping destination. On the shipping papers and on a secret document in the driver's wallet.
Answer.
On the shipping paper and on the package.
Question 16. Which of the following materials would be acceptable floor liner for moving Division 1.1 or 1.2 materials?
Non-ferrous metal, stainless steel, carbon steel. All of the above.
Answer.
Non-ferrous metal.
Question 17. Which of the following is not an acceptable type of marking for hazardous materials?
Descriptive name in Roman print. UN marks. Name in italics. Identification number.
Answer.
Name in italics.
Question 18. Which of the following hazard classes utilizes a transport index in order to determine how much of it can be loaded on a single vehicle for transport?
Class 4, live chickens. Class 7, radioactive materials. Class 3, flammable liquids. Class 1, explosives.
Answer.
Class 7, radioactive materials.
Question 19. A placarded vehicle must carry what type of fire extinguisher?
One with a rating of 10 AB minimum. One with a rating of 10 BC minimum. One with a rating of 5 BC minimum.
Answer.
One with a rating of 10 BC minimum.
Question 20. Which hazard classes must you never smoke, or perform any activity involving fire, within 25 feet of?
Class 1 only. Classes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Class 4.2 only. Class 5.2 only.
Answer.
Classes 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Question 21. What is the main difference between a portable tank and a cargo tank?
Permanent or temporary attachment. Being filled while on versus while off the vehicle. Portable tanks must additionally show the owner or lessee's name on them. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 22. Do you need to stop before a railroad crossing if you are hauling 100 pounds of Division 4.3 materials?
Impossible to tell without more information. Yes. No. Only if the arm is down telling vehicles to stop.
Answer.
Yes.
Question 23. What action should you take if there is no phone available and you discover your hazardous materials shipment leaking at a rest stop?
Keep driving for help as quickly as possible. Keep driving, slowly and cautiously, until you reach a phone. Send someone for help with all the necessary information. Leave your truck parked with emergency lights and walk for help.
Answer.
Send someone for help with all the necessary information.
Question 24. How far away must you stay from a bridge, tunnel, or building if you are carrying Division 1.2 or 1.3 materials?
300 feet or more. 100 feet or more. 200 feet or more. 500 feet or more.
Answer.
300 feet or more.
Question 25. A safe haven is
The slang term for the last stop at the end of your driving day when carrying hazardous materials. A place to stay once you have reported your company for illegal activity. A place where it is safe to dump any kind of hazardous materials. A place that has been approved to park unattended vehicles carrying explosives.
Answer.
A place that has been approved to park unattended vehicles carrying explosives. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.